Hello, and thanks for listening in. My name is Rachel Gover, and I'm going to spend the next 10 minutes or so explaining why, if you're not doing so already, you should consider studying with us at the University of East Anglia for a semester or year. So, why us? Well, we're a UK university that offers flexible classes in a safe, friendly, and creative city. We welcome around 400 study abroad students each year and have a dedicated study abroad team to help support you through every step of your journey. If you decide to study abroad with us, you won't just be ticking off tourist spots in the UK. Instead, you'll be gaining a truly authentic idea of the UK. What we love, what we hate, why we're obsessed with tea, how we really feel about Brexit. You won't just be expanding your studies, you'll also be widening your perspectives, talking to students from a different walk of life to your own. So, by the time that you return home, you'll have a real understanding of what living in the UK means. So where are we situated? Well, UEA is located in the east coast of the UK in a city named Norwich. Norwich really is a quintessential English city with a unique and proudly independent feel. But first, I want to talk to you about where you'll be spending a large portion of your time, the university. So, UEA is situated in the prestigious Norwich Research Park, which is Europe's leading centre for food, health and the environment. This means that our academics are constantly publishing innovative research that is current to the world we live in today. UEA strongly believes in a thinking without borders approach, and this is evident from the flexibility you'll find in our modules to the broad range of groundbreaking research going on across the university. Just one example of this is how, rather than viewing computing science separately, our academics come together from a variety of fields to turn data into insight to change lives. We're tackling complex problems and developing life-changing solutions in all kinds of areas, from equality, dementia and climate change, to personalised medicine and human rights. And as a UEA student, you'll find it is this research that is driving our professors' teaching, with many of our modules based on our academics' latest research findings. You'll also find that many of our schools offer students the possibility to pick research modules. This is an opportunity for you to conduct your own research and explore areas of your studies that you find particularly interesting, all with the support of your academic. And it's not just the sciences that we're known for. In 1970, UEA established the first creative writing MA in the UK. Since then, our humanities have grown from strength to strength, with thematic interests ranging from global perspectives, health humanities, gender and identity, creative and cultural industries, and heritage and global social justice and responsibility. It is our impressive reputation, combined with Norwich being the first UNESCO City of Literature, that allows us to regularly welcome renowned authors from around the world. Having first-hand experience to prepare you for the working world is also something that we understand the importance of here at UEA. This is why so many of our classes allow students to use state-of-the-art facilities, including our £30 million science building, our television studio or our virtual reality laboratory. We also have strong industry links, ranging from the BBC to one of the biggest insurance companies in the UK, Aviva, providing you with opportunities to hear from acting professionals. You'll also be able to choose from a huge range of classes to build a programme that is fitting to your studies. Our structure is flexible, so you don't need to study all your options from one academic area. If you want to, you can take a history class, a biology class, and a business class. So whether you're looking for classes that need to complement your degree discipline, or you want to take a class completely outside of your major, UEA can offer you the flexibility you need to study abroad. If you would like to see a list of the classes for this academic year, head to UEA's website and search Study Abroad, What Can I Study to find our module catalogue with our full listings. You'll also find a wide range of support for your academic studies whilst being at UEA. Each study abroad student is awarded with an academic advisor there to help signpost you if you're unsure of who to turn to. Student support services also offer one-to-one sessions where you can get support on adapting to the UK education system. So, what about campus life? Well, at UEA, you'll find a real student-led community where everything you need is in walking distance. We have shops, cafes and restaurants all situated around UEA's meeting communal space, the Square. We have a bank perfect for study abroad students wanting to set up a UK bank account, and a medical centre and pharmacy also on campus. We have an award-winning sports park with an Olympic-sized swimming pool, fitness centre, indoor sports courts outside floodlit pitches and a 400-metre running track. A 24/7 library where you can rent your books, use computers and get support from our IT help desk. And we have an on-campus art gallery, the Sainsbury Centre, free for students to visit with works by Picasso and Francis Bacon, as well as visiting exhibitions and spaces to learn, study and socialise. Our Students' Union plays an extremely active role on campus, managing the shops, bars and nightclub venue. We have more than 60 sports clubs and 250 societies for students to join, and the Students' Union organises many free events year-round for students. The SU is also responsible for hosting over 50 plus artists on campus each year, including the likes of Lewis Capaldi, Stormzy and Ed Sheeran. Our Students' Union also has many opportunities for study abroad students to work for them, and as long as students are on a Tier 4 visa, they can apply to do so. If you apply with us, you can also opt for on-campus accommodation, homestay with a local family, or look for independent private accommodation. Our on-campus accommodation ranges in price and facilities, so you can choose depending on your preference. And if you want to head off campus, you also have the option of heading into Norwich. Around a 40-minute walk or a 20-minute bus ride away, you can be in the city centre. Norwich is an energetic city full of creativity, history and culture. And there's an independent streak running through every person and every place. We have the Norwich Lanes, where you can have the best afternoon tea in the city, explore the river by canoe and stop for a drink at one of our many riverside pubs, or head to our buzzing high street packed with 2 shopping malls, shops, restaurants and bars. Essentially, Norwich is a quintessential English city, which combines history with the contemporary. It used to be said that we had a church for every week in the year and a pub for every day. There is also always something going on in Norwich, whether that's the Norwich and Norfolk Festival in May, the Norwich Science Festival in October, or the Love Light Festival in February, all set in the backdrop of 2 cathedrals and an impressive towering castle. Our city is also an affordable base for living in the UK, whilst also being central enough for you to travel further afield. If you want to visit London for a day, with hourly trains from Norwich to London Liverpool Street, you can be there in an hour and a half. So you can tick off your bucket list sites whilst only paying a fraction of the price for your renting costs. We also have an international airport, which means if you're intending to do some travelling whilst you're abroad, then in under 2 hours you can be in Amsterdam or Edinburgh. So it's easy to see why Norwich has won so many awards over the years, including one of the best places to live in the UK, one of the top 10 safest places to be a student, and one of the most affordable university cities in the UK. UEA in Norwich also sits in a beautiful part of the world. The stunning Norfolk coastline is easy to reach, boasting beautiful UK beaches and seaside towns. Norwich is the only UK city located in a national park, the Norfolk Broads. So there it is, a brief overview of the University of East Anglia. As you can see, we're proud of our university and what we have to offer our study abroad students, and we hope that you'll consider joining us. If you do have any questions or would like to find out more, please don't hesitate to send us an email on visiting.uea@uea.ac.uk. And make sure to follow us on our socials.